Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about chapter 1 brain teasers. Now we solve question number 1. Take the correct option. A. The difference between the square of two conjugative numbers is equal to their dash. Is equal to their sum. Now we solve point B. What will the digit in the thousand place of 1111 square? First, write 1111 into 1111 equal 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have already multiplied it. So, what will the digit in the thousand place? 1, 10, 100, 1000. Thousand place is 4. So, answer is 4. Now, solve point C. Perfect square cannot have 2, 3 and dash each one place. 2, 3, 7 and 8. It cannot have perfect square. 7 and 8. Then we solve point D. The smallest number by which 72 must be divided to make its perfect square is dash. 72 factor, find prime factor. 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, then 2 1 is 2, 2 is 16, then 2 9 is 18, then 3 3 is 9, then 3 1 is 3. So 72 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 72 equal 2 into 3 equal 2. Answer is 2. Now solve point E. The square root of 3.052009 has dash decimal place. First we find square root of 3.052009 equal 1.747. I have already taken out the square root. So, the square root of 3.052009 has dash decimal places. Decimal places has 3. Now we solve question number 2. How many non-square number are there between 13 square and 14 square? 13 square and 14 square, that is 2 into 13 equal 32, just 26. So, there are 26 non-square number. 26 non-square numbers between 13 square and 14 square. That is 2 into 13 equal 26. Now solve point B. Write the first 4 triangular numbers. The first 4 triangular number 1, 3, 6 and 10. Then we solve point C. Is 5, 7, 9 is a Pythagorean triplet? Why justify? 5 square plus 7 square is not equal to 9 square, because 5 5 is 25 plus 7 7 is 49, not equal 9 square 81. Then 25 plus 9 plus 5 equal 14, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 74 is not equal to 81. So it is not a Pythagorean triplet. Now write 5 7 9 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplets. As 5 square plus 7 square is not equal to 9 square. Now we solve point D. Find square root of 9 by repeated subtraction method. Using repeated subtraction method, we have 9 minus 8 equal 1. Then 8 minus odd number is 1, 3. Then 8 minus 3 equal 5. Then odd number is 5. 5 minus 5 equal 0. Then 1, 2, 3. Square root of 9 equal 3. Now solve point E. Find the measure of the side of a handkerchief of area 324 centimeter square. Area of a square handkerchief. Area of a square handkerchief. Equal 324 centimeter square. 324 centimeter square. Thus, the side of the square handkerchief. Thus, the side of the square handkerchief equal square root of 324 equal 18 centimeter. We have already taken out square root of 324. Now solve question number 2. Find the square root of 10. Correct to 4 places of decimal. First, write square root of 10. First, we find square root of 10. Then 4 places of decimal. Then 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we put a bar every pair of digits. First, take the largest number whose square is equal just or less than the extreme left pair. So 3 3s are 9. Then we subtract this number. 10 minus 9 equal 1. Then bring down the number under the next bar. 100. Then double the divisor. 3 plus 3, 6. Then 61 1s are 61. Then we subtract this number. 0 minus 1 we cannot subtract it. We want to borrow from 10 place. 10 place is 0, so we want to borrow 100 place. Then 10 minus 1 equal 9. Then 9 minus 6 equal 3. Then 1 minus 0. 39. 39 is less than 69. So, bring down the number under the next bar. That is 0. Now number is 3900. Then double the divisor. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then 626 6 are 3756. 3756. Then we subtract this number. 0 minus 6 we cannot subtract. We want to borrow. Then 10 minus 6 equal 4. Then 9 minus 5 equal 4. Then 8 minus 7 equal 1. 144. Then bring down the number under the next bar. Then double the divisor. 6 plus 6, 12. 3, 6, 3, 2. Then 6332 to 30. 322 to ja 12,644. Then we subtract this number. 0 minus 4 we cannot subtract it. We want to borrow. Minus 4 equals 6. Then 9 minus 4 equals 5. Then 3 minus 6 we cannot subtract it. We want to borrow. 13 minus 6 equal. Then 7. Then 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then bring down the number under the next bar. Then double the divisor. 6, 3, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 6,324. Then 63,242 2 ja 12,000. Sorry, 1,26,484. Then we subtract this number. 0 minus 4 we cannot subtract and borrow. Then 10 minus 4 equals 6. Then 9 minus 8 equal 1. Then minus 5 minus 4 equal 1. Then 5 minus 6 we cannot subtract it. 15 minus 6 equal 9. Then 6 minus 2 equal 4. Then bring down the number under the next bar. Then double the divisor. 6, 3, 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Then 6,32,447 7 ja 44,27,129. Then we subtract this number. 0 minus 9 we cannot subtract and borrow. Then 10 minus 9 equal 1. Then 9 minus 2 equal 7. Then 5 minus 1 equal 4. Then 1 minus 7 we cannot subtract and borrow. Then 11 minus 7 equal 4. Then 0. 0 minus 2 we cannot subtract it and borrow. Then 10 minus 2 equal 8. Then 8 minus 4 equal 4. Then 4 minus 4 equal 0. The square root of 10 equal 3.16227 equal 3.1623. Now we solve question number 3. Find the values of square root of 3.1428 and square root of 0.31428. Correct to 3 decimal places. First, we find out square root of 3.1428. We have already taken out square root of 3.1428. Square root of 3.1428 equal 1.7727. Equal 1.7727 equal 1.773. Then we find square root of 0.31428. We find square root of 0.31428. First put a bar over every pair of digits. Every pairs of digits. First 31. Take the largest number whose square is equal or just less than the extreme left pair. So 5 5 ja 25. 5 5 ja 25. Then we subtract this number. 1 minus 5 we cannot subtract it and borrow. 11 minus 5 equals 6. Then 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then bring down the number under the next bar, that is 42. 642. Then double the divisor. 5 plus 5 equal 10. Then 106 6 ja 106 6 ja 636. Then we subtract this number. 2 minus 6 we cannot subtract it and borrow. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Then 3 minus 3 equals 0. Then bring down the number under the next bar. That is 80. 680. Then double the divisor. 6 plus 6 12. Then 112. Then 1120. 0 ja 0. Then 1120 is larger than 680. So we bring We bring down the number under the next bar. Then 68,000. Then 11,266 ja 67,236. Then we subtract this number. 0 minus 6 we cannot subtract 2 and borrow. Then 9 minus 6 equal 4. Then 9 minus 3 equal 6. Then 9 minus 2 equal 7. Then 7 minus 7 equal 0. So square root of 0.31428 equal 0.5606 equal 0.561. Now we solve question number 4. Simplify. Square root of 0.0441 divided by square root of 0.000441. First we find square root of 0.0441. First we find square root of 0.0441. Put a bar over every pair of digits. Then take the largest number whose square is equal or just less than the extreme left bar. 4. 2 2s are 4. Then we subtract this number. 4 minus 4 equal 0. Then bring down the number under the next bar. Then double the divisor. 2 plus 2 4. Then 41 ja 41. Then we subtract this number. 41 minus 41 equal 0. So square root of 0.441 equal 0.21 divided by then square root of 0.000441. Put a bar over every pair of digits. Then 0. So we make 0. Then 4. Then take the largest number whose square is equal just less than the extreme left bar. So 2 2s are 4. Then we subtract this number. Then bring down the number under the next bar. That is 41. Then double the divisor. 2 plus 2 4. Then 41 1s are 41 equal 0. So square root of 0.000441 equal 0.021. Equal 0.21 divided by 0.21 equal 10. Now we solve point 2. Square root of 49. Then square root of 0.49. Then square root of 0.0049. First we find square root of 49. 7 7s are 49. So square root of 49 equal 7. Then we find square root of 49. Take the largest number whose square is equal or less than the just extreme left bar. So 7 7s are 49. Then we subtract this number. 49 minus 49 equal 0. So square root of 0.49 equal 0.7. Then we find square root of 0.0049. Then we find square root of 0.0049. Put a bar over every pair of digits. Then 0 0 is 0. Then 7 7s are 49 equal 0.07. Then we add this number 7, then 0.7, then 0.07. Then we add this number 7, 7 plus 0 equals 7, then 7 plus 0 equals then 7. 7.77. Now solve question number 5. The area of a square field is 101 whole of 1 by 400 meter square. 101 whole of 1 by 400 meter square. Find the length of one side of the field. First, it make a improper fraction. 100 into 400, 101 into 400 plus 1 divided by 400 equal 40,401 divided by 400. Then side of the square field equal side of the square field equal square root of 40,401 divided by 400. First we find square root of 40,401. First put a bar over every pair of digits. Then take the largest number whose square is equal or just less than the extreme left bar. So 2 2 are 4. Then we subtract this number 0. Then double the divisor 2 plus 2 4. Then bring down the number under the next bar, that is 4 0 4. Then 40 0 0. Then 4 minus 0 equal 4. Then 4 is less than 40. So we bring next digit, that is 0 1. Then 401 1 ja 401. Then 401 minus 401 equal 0. So square root of 40,401 equal 201 divided by square root of 400. Square root of 400 equal. Then put a bar over every pair of digits. First 2 2 ja 4. Then we subtract this now. 4 minus 4 equal 0. Then bring down the number under the next bar, that is 0. Then 2 0 ja 0. Then 2 plus 2 4. Then 40 0 ja 0. Then square root of 400 equal 20. Then 201 divided by 20 equal 10 whole of 1 by 20 meter. Now solve question number 6. What is that number which when multiplied by itself gives 227.798649? First we write, let the required decimal. First we write, let the required decimal be x. Required decimal be x. Then when multiplied by itself equal x into x equal 227.798649. Then x equals square root of 227.798649. Then we find its square root. Then square root of 227.798649. Then put a bar over every digits of number. Then take the number square just less than the number. So 1 1 ja 1. Then we subtract this number. 2 minus 1 equal 1. Then bring down the number under the next bar to 7. Then double the divisor. 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then 25 5 ja 125. Then we subtract this number. 7 minus 5 equal 2. Then 12 minus 12 equal 0. Then bring down the number under the next bar, that is 79. Then double the divisor. 5 plus 5 equal 10. Then 30. Then 300 0 ja 0. Then bring down the number under the next bar 84. Then 3009 ja 27,081. Then we subtract this number. 4 minus 1 equal 3. Then 8 minus 8 is 0. Then 9 minus 0 equal 9. 903. Then 649. 6 minus 1 equal 5. 905. Then bring down the number under the next bar. 49. That is 90,549. Then double the divisor. 9 plus 9 equal 18. Then 30,183. 3 ja 30,000. 90,549. Then 90,549 minus 90,549 equal 0. So square root of then square root of 227.798649 equal 15.093. Hence the required decimal. Hence the required decimal equal 15.093. Now we solve question number 7. In a lecture hall, 8,649 students are sitting in such a manner that there are as many students in a row as there are rows in the lecture hall. How many students are there in each row of the lecture hall? First we write, let the number of students in lecture hall be x. Let the number of students in lecture hall be x. In lecture hall be x. The number of rows equal x. Number of rows equal x. Then total number of students equal total number of students equal x into x equal x square. Then x square equal 8,649. 649. Then x equals square root of 8,649. Then we find square root of 8,649. First we take put bar over every two digits numbers. Then we find 9 9 is 81. Then we subtract this number. 6 minus 1 equal 5. Then bring down the number under the next bar 49. Then double the divisor. 9 plus 9 equal 18. Then 183 3 is 549. Then 549 minus 549 equal 0. Then square root of 8,649 equal 93. How many students are there in each row of the lecture hall? So hence the required number of students in the lecture hall is the required number of students equal 93. Now we solve question number 8. A general wishing to drop his 64,019 men in the form of a square found that he had 10 men extra. Find the number of men in the front row. First number of men equal 64,019. Number of men equal 64,019. The number of extra men equal equal 10. The number of remaining men equal number of remaining men equal 64,019 minus 10 equal 64,009. The number of men in front row equal number of men in front row equal square root of 64,009. Then we find square root of 64,009. 64,009. Then we put bar on every digit. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 6 minus 4 equal 2. Then bring down the number under the next bar. Then double the divisor 2 plus 2 4. Then 45 5s are 225. Then we subtract this number. 0 minus 5 we cannot subtract it, we want to borrow. Then 10 minus 5 equal 5. Then 3 minus 2 equal 1. Then double the divisor 5 plus 5 10. Then 50. Then bring down the number under the next bar. Then 503 3s are 1,509. Then 1,509 minus 1,509 equal 0. So square root of 64,009 equal 253. Hence the required number of men equal 253. Thank you.